amazing day, babe. Punching in trades, killing it. Marvin, good morning, charting queen. Good morning, good morning. Woo! We're feeling great. It's Friday, babe. So bring the energy, bring the heat. Let's get it started. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're set up on all platforms. Cranking this music down a little bit here. YouTube, TikTok, Tradecaster, baby. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, guys. So like I said, man, it's an amazing Friday. It's already starting out great. All of you members, man, I hope you guys are having an amazing time. Here we are, guys. So, it's the final day before the weekend. It is 9:20 a.m. We have 9:21. We have 9 minutes till market open. We got a couple things to go over that we're going to go over here. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the day, like I said, man. So getting it in, baby. Getting it going. Let's go over it, man. First thing you always want to check is going to be that economic calendar for the day. Guys, I'm feeling pumped. I'm feeling amped. I'm feeling a little ecstatic, some may say. And I hope you guys are as well. Hope you guys are making banging trades if you haven't traded so far. If you guys have not, that's what we're here for, baby. So, we got no big news on the day, really, except, actually, I'll take that back. 10 a.m., we have Michigan Consumer Sentiment Ladies and gentlemen, that is going to obviously come into effect. 10 a.m., we might have some sort of move. 10 a.m., we're going to have some sort of momentum. So, hopefully you guys are, catch some of that, get some of that action going. But, ladies and gentlemen, man, until then, it's Friday, baby. It's Friday. It's a great day. So, if you guys have any tickers you want me to take a look at, feel free. Shout them out in any of the chats. I am trading S&P, ES, NQ up on all my charts, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely feeling fantastic. Got to go on Discord as well. Got to get that one going. So, ladies and gentlemen, any fun weekend plans, guys? Any fun weekend plans from any of you guys? Got to go to LWB. Boom, baby. There we go. All right. There we go. All right, so now we're live on multiple platforms there. AAPL, what's up? What's up, love yourself? All right, I'll check over it. Let's go over Apple. We got a little bit of time here. Apple getting nothing too crazy. Let's check it out. Anything on the day? So they have earnings coming up. That's technically in a little while. That's on the 2nd of May. But just taking a look at the daily chart, bro. Yesterday looked wild. We're approaching that 50-day EMA. That 50-day EMA on the dailies at 176. I would definitely watch for a reversal off of that point. And maybe some selling action coming in today. Let's see if we broke that already. No, we're about $2 off it. Yeah, so I can immediately see we might start to top out in this area. All depends on market open. You got to watch for that. Definitely topping out near this area of 176, 174. It's sitting around. And that would probably be it. I would probably look shorts, but we're going to wait and see on that one. Yeah, because it topped out last time at 178. So that would be your ultimate stop loss no matter what. So let's say you get in at 176. I'm a buyer at 170. Okay. Oh, you're long at 170. Okay. Yeah, that's awesome. There you go. Dude, you're banking, bro. All right, so then just set a stop loss, 100%. That's awesome. Yeah, so that if you're already up on the play from 170, it's at 174. Set a stop loss at like 172. I would say the 50-day is at 176.7 on the 4-hour. So just obviously just set yourself a stop loss there in the take profit. So no matter what, you're locking up gains. So it's like basically, hey, if it hits this point or comes back down to this point, I'm gonna get out of this play. But if it doesn't come back to this point and continues to rip and run, I mean, you're still gonna make money. So yeah, buddy, that's what we love to hear, baby. That's what we love to. Oh, there we go. Okay. Sorry, my thing went offline for a second. All right, there we go. Have a blessed day trading. Up 2,500 from this drop. Done, guys. Yeah, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, shout out to you guys. Charting Queen getting those gains in, getting crazy with it. That is nuts, yo. So 2,500 bucks just like that, man. Beautiful, guys. Should have spammed this thing. Let's see if we can get this thing up a little crazy, up to like 500. See how fast can you guys spam. We'll see. So, ladies and gentlemen, waiting for this ad to pass by as well. We're forming a little bit of a H pattern here. on, I would say, NQ. So all about patience, boys. All about patience. That's awesome, though. That is awesome that you you're already up that much in a very quick, short amount of time. So beautiful, beautiful time, beautiful plays, beautiful day, baby. So big chilling out on this one. 173, 6. What is that? I guess 7-1 would be one of those points as well. Just gonna have to wait, watch. It's 9:25 in the market. We're waiting for the time at 9:30 to come in. So obviously, market open. We're just waiting on market open to come in. Swung puts up 85%. Oh my, Charting Queen. Yo, up 85% on these put contracts. That's crazy. Just a beautiful morning, right, bro? Like, that is nuts, dude. Holy crap. Shout out to you, yo. That is crazy. So you want to talk about a way to make your money back really quick. Dang, boys. So there you go. 85% ROI. You did better than the last 8 years of S&P 500. No, I'm kidding. Well, the S&P's done exponential the last year, but then obviously 2020 it did not do so hot. So, oh man. All right, let's turn this music up a little bit. So big chilling out, like I said, guys. Having some fun, waiting and watching on this market here. I do have my EMAs, so that's what I'm waiting on. They're all above here, except for S&P kind of is fighting back. But I'm waiting and watching. I'm going to see what happens. I want ES to follow through as well. So if ES follows through, NQ follows through, S&P follows through, YB's about it. So guys, chilling out. Oh, I gotta turn this. I keep forgetting to do that. Oh. There we go. Oh, my legs. Yeah, that is a crazy morning so far, though, guys. That is nuts. Charting Queen, good job on that. So if any of you other guys have any gains on the day, feel free to shout them out. Let me know what they are. Just messed my nail up there. All right, good to go, ladies and gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 minutes till market open here. Feeling hot, feeling good, feeling ready, baby. Hope you guys are as well. You guys are feeling great. This is what we do, man. This is what we got going. So, big chilling out. NQ coming down here. Tradecaster members, TikTok members, Discord members, YouTube members. Get ready for the day, guys. All right, it's going to be an exciting day ahead for this market. So guys, we are big chilling out, man. I'm going to be doing a bunch of little call outs and stuff like that for any of you TikTok members that cannot hear me. Oh my goodness. YouTube.com. Stop messing with me, baby. There we go. Okay. All right. We're good to go, guys. We're good to go. We're good to go. We're good to go. 9:29 here in this market. Feeling great. Feeling amped. Pumped. Spectacular. Feeling like a feel like seagulls. You know, like a seagull when they just get like a French fry? That's what I'm feeling like. It's like one of the best things ever, you know? Like that's what a seagull, like, they live for. Like, that's the shit they die for, you know? So, that's how YB's feeling today. Got the coffee going. Put a little sprinkle of espresso in there. Salt-based style. You guys know what I'm saying. You guys all get it. You You guys all feel me? Word up. All right, market open. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So feeling hot. So I have my 25K loaded up, my 50K loaded up. Good to go on both platforms here. So you gotta stay hot. You gotta stay dialed, baby. So, like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask away, man. As I'm chilling out, waiting and watching here, 18,300, 18,300. I want to see some sort of pop here up to, obviously, like, honestly, you want me to be honest, probably like another 70 points on NQ. I want to see it get to those highs of 18,370s, 18,400s. But, oh my gosh, this is Apple. Oh, that scared me. I'm like, why is that looking like that? Okay. Alright, there we go. Now the SPY's up. So, good to go on that. Good to go. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what I'm looking at, looking for. So, EMAs are a little bit off, but I will wait. I'm going to give it some... Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, that's MNQ. Woo! I was like, yo, bro, why am I on 5 NQ minis, bro? I'm like, why do I have 5 minis loaded up, dog? Oh my gosh, that was about to get rough, but that was micros, so that's even, I mean, that's fine too. Nothing wrong with micros. Yeah, guys, never feel forced to go heavy. One thing I always tell my students, the number one thing I tell them is to go light. Go light on Fridays always. So that's a big thing I preach is Fridays. You don't want to go heavy because you're already up on the week, right? If you're already up on the week, why would you go heavy, right? Don't go crazy. Don't be stupid, wasting time. Because you waste time and stuff. But if it ever stops raining here, boys, today's today. YB's going for redemption from last week. Going for a 9-hole. 9. Why? Once again, YB, why don't you play 18s? Because my buddies can't do it, man. They can't hang that long. Sauced by hole 4. You know what I mean? Done by hole 8. Hole 9 just kind of there for him. It's like, so that's how we roll, bro. That's how we do it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right. There we go. Nice little pop coming into play. I would like to see this come up a little bit more here. I like where the EMAs are, but they would need to tighten up a little bit more here. Not a bad play, not a bad day at all so far, but no trades for myself. Got the music cranked, feeling hot, feeling great. Little EDM style. Some shit I feel like John Summit play at like one of his little festivals. So 50-day touch coming up into play for NQ. Take a look at NQ overall here is what I need to load up as well. So NQ overall coming into play, starting to chill out, not looking bad. So NQ overall, not a bad play there, ladies and gentlemen. Chilling out. Yeah. Tomorrow's also the big day. Tomorrow's the big day for New York, guys. It's gonna be super fun. So if you guys have any questions, comments, make sure to hit me before probably noon tomorrow with anything you guys have. You guys can contact me via email, yb@ybconsultation.com. You guys can also contact me via Tradecaster. If you guys come over to tradecaster.com, it's free. All you gotta do is you gotta click that little X on the subscription thing and then come over and obviously come to the lobby, baby. Go check it out. There's tons of traders here. Not every trader's free though. So if you want to watch and get in the biggest lobbies, you gotta pay. You gotta pay to play with that. So you gotta pay to play for the big lobbies. You're ragging the big boys. You know what I mean? That's where the sauce is at sometimes. So you gotta pay to play sometimes, baby. Right? But ladies and gentlemen, there's tons of different ways and techniques to trade for very cheap amounts as well. One great thing about this day and age is that we have prop firms, guys. When I first started out trading, 3 years ago, okay, at this rate, 3.5, going on almost 4 years, ladies and gentlemen, I'll put it out there, man. Prop firms weren't a thing. And what's a prop firm? Basically, you pay a certain amount, and they will fund you with money to trade with, right? They'll give you money to trade with as long as you're profiting, right? and then you basically you take a split on it. So it'll be like 90-10. You keep 90%, they take 10%, right? There's been a whole lot of drama with Forex with it, but futures has always been solid. So, ladies and gentlemen, definitely there's so many ways to trade, and your biggest thing is going to be your knowledge, right? What's the difference between a great trader and a bad trader? Well, a great trader just knows what buttons to click when, exactly, right? It's like a great trader just knows not to get in here and to get in here, right? So, you're going to want to be a great trader, not a bad trader, guys. It's all mentality. That's all it is, baby. That's all it is, baby. All it is. So, having a great day, guys. Amazing, amazing. YouTube, Discord, obviously TikTok as well. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Tradecast, you guys always know you can ask questions 24/7, man. Come on, you guys already know, baby. Market right now, chilling out. Nothing too hot's coming about. Obviously, just the start of the day. Market opened less than 10 minutes ago, so you have to have a set game plan. My set game plan is waiting for these EMAs to come and play, looking for a trade there. NVDA had a different play in mind, though. Damn. NVDA, nice spike up. Coming right back down. So, yeah, buddy, man. Yeah, buddy. Feeling great. Guys, I've been working on my slice. Not gonna lie, golf-wise, I had the nastiest slice for the longest time, boys. I'd hit it, it would go swoosh, straight left. Nastiest slice ever. I found out that I just have to turn my hand a little bit more to the right because I'm a lefty. Just gotta turn it a little bit more to the right. When my arm's out, just gotta turn that arm a little bit more to the right and then follow through. Right, fucking think. My putting game, bro, I've never seen anyone. No, I'm kidding, guys. Actually, I'm not cracked. I'm decent. I'm a good putter. I'm a good putter. I can hit my irons. It's just that drive, man. And that's where you get screwed, boys. That's where you get screwed, man. You'll be on there, man. You'll be sitting there. Oh, okay. It's 200 yards. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm just gonna drive it down and then I'll putt it in, right? Yeah. Let's see if you get an eagle on, like, you know, I don't know, a par 3, right? Nope. What happens, ladies and gentlemen? You go up, left. Now you're in the trees. Oh, now you gotta fight yourself out of the trees. So, biggest part of it, 1,000,000%. Best part of it is definitely just a driving, baby. You gotta work on it. Fucking, it can be atrocious. It can be hard sometimes. But all right, ladies and gentlemen, NVDA definitely on a little bit of a push down here. Damn, coming down even further. Yup, NVDA not having any of it. NQ spiked off its 50-day. I love it. S&P starting to come back up here. So waiting and watching on it, seeing if we're going to hit some of these EMA highs. Then I might be able to get an entry. So if you guys have any questions, like I said, feel free to ask away.
Sir, your scent maraca smell amazing.
I'm not talking about no scent maraca here. What the fuck is that?
Most roses call them Gain Scent Beads. Try Gain Scent Beads. Way fresher than detergent alone.
You may get a little excited when you shop at...
Here we go, dude. Burlington ads, bro. Let me tell you about Burlington, guys. Burlington is not the spot to go. Alright, keeps hitting me with these ads. Listen, baby. You're trying to shop on a budget, right? Not even back in the day. I still shop on a more or less a budget. Depends on, like, how I'm feeling and what time of the year it is, right? It's like, you know, why am I, you know, one thing I've never understood, and this is something, here's a little life lesson for everyone in here. Only things designer that really are good, I would say, that are actually useful are Birkin bags. Birkins are really good investments, obviously. They, you know, if you get one that's pretty exclusive, let's say you buy a few. You buy a few, then you get put on a wait list for one, and let's say, you know, you're close with, like, I don't know, the owner of, like, a store or something. Same thing with, like, a Rolex or something like that. You get put on a list, and then you can get it, right? You get put on the waiting list. Maybe you're higher up on the waiting list. You can get it for, like, let's say you get a Birkin for, like, 50K. You're able to flip it for, like, 80, you know, within the next few years or something. So, Birkins are definitely a good investment. I would say that. You know, Gucci, Louis, you know, iced out watches. Dude, no, man. Just stay away from it, ladies and gentlemen. Unless it's factory, unless it's all fat. Like when I mean iced out watches, you know, you can obviously, it depends the grade of the diamonds. You know, like if you're getting like, glass diamonds engraved in like a Rolex. Nobody's gonna want that because that just completely ruins the watch. It's just so. If you guys are looking for investments, man, 1,000,000%. I stick to the basics. Birkins, naked watches. You know, I like my naked watches, boys. Like this thing right here, simple, tiny, very very simple. Nothing. Not it's. I mean, it literally is a strap. It's no Rolex. I'll tell you that. But we're chilling out. It's no Rolex right now. Actually, that is crazy. I say that. I was at King of Prussia. If you guys know where that is at all, that's up in PA area and stuff. I walked in, bro. They had this date just. It was I don't even know the reference number. It was a nice date just. We'll just go with it. All right, nice one. It really wasn't a bad price. I went on. So one thing I always do, if you guys want to get into any type of watch selling or anything like that, I always go in Chrono 24. Chrono 24. I look up the reference number and the watch, and then I see what people are selling it for. Like, what is the lowest sale people are selling it for? And then, like, if you buy it, you can be like, oh, okay, I'm gonna buy this watch. Thing about a watch is like it really does depend on the market. Just like shoe sales, when you're selling shoes, you gotta be on your shit too. Cause like I remember one time, cause I sell shoes on the side as well, here and there. Very, it's sometimes. But what is it? I just enjoy it, right? Because you get to wear a bunch of, you don't get to wear, but you get to have a bunch of shoes in stock. Maybe take some of those profits and then you buy some shoes if you want, or etc. etc. But what is it? I bought this pair of it was really good Reeboks. Like they're all white out, and I bought them for what was it? I think it was 150. The next day, literally the next day, I got them in, bro, and they were already worth $100. I was like, there is no chance. There is no chance. I got them off drop, the second they dropped, bink, grabbed them. I was like, all right, word. It was like trying to grab an NFT, boys. If you don't know what an NFT is, that was a whole era of digital pictures that used to sell out really quick, and you had to be quick with buying them. But yeah, so that's why it can be really hard. Same thing with watches, though, dude. Watch prices fluctuate a lot, right? So not that quickly, though. They usually don't go from 8,000 down to 6,000 within the day. So if I were to if that date just that they did have wasn't a terrible price, but I wasn't gonna make a lot. So if I'm investing $8,000 right into a watch, what ROI am I looking for? Like $500, $600. I'm not looking for 9, 10, 12,000. You know what I mean? If I'm buying a watch at 8,000, I'm looking to flip it for 86, 87. Now, once again, this is just I don't do that a lot. I never really do that anymore, but I'm not against it, right? Watch flipping is definitely a business, but you have to know the business. And you have to know, you have to know the right buyers as well, right? I wouldn't be going around Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace trying to sell a $8,000 watch. You know what I mean? It's so, if I were you guys, yeah, definitely, you go Diamond District, you got to do your research, and you got to make sure the watches are real and stuff, or else you get screwed over, and then, you're in a big L, and it just sucks. So, you gotta know your markets, boys. You gotta know your markets, no matter what it is, whether it's shoe sales, watches, stock market. Yup. Guys, and S&P came up to the VWAP. Nothing really, though. I'm not really looking for S&P up near the VWAP. I'm looking for it near its 200-day. That'd be the equivalent of ES's near its VWAP and 200-day as well. So I think that'd be beautiful. NQ with a little bit of a push would be great. Near its also would be an amazing thing, but we'll see if that even comes into play. So if you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to ask. I've done pretty much every business out there back in my day. I was always a little hustler, so I definitely did. I did my drop shipping. That's actually first ever company. It was a couch company. Yup. Couch company, and it was semi drop shipping. So when I mean that, basically I would get Facebook Marketplace, get couches off Facebook Marketplace, bring them in, clean them up, repost them on my website. But then I'd also drop ship couches too. To where for Ashley's Furniture and stuff, when they would have sales or something, I would take one of those couches that's on sale, post it for the original price. People wouldn't realize the sales there. Boom, make quick $200. You don't even gotta have it in house. So, yep. So that's basically it. It's things like that I did, 100%. And that's that's a good side hustle, bro. If you guys have the inventory available, you have a garage, you guys have. So this summer, lock in, boys. I don't care if you're 40 years old and you got a full-time job. I don't care if you're 15 and you're still in high school, right? That's something that everyone can do. As long as, you got some muscles or you got some muscle around, you guys can 100% do that, man. It's a business available. That, window washing. I got window washing cards. I do it every summer. I usually send out 3 to 4 teams. That's the game plan. This summer, anyways, I've never done it like that before, but that's the game plan. Send out 3 to 4 teams, have them go door to door. Every sale they get basically an affiliate. They get $50 per sale they get for the company. I'll hire, I'll get some people that are willing to do it for $11 to $12 an hour. They'll go out, do the work. I keep, you know, 100 to 150 bucks per, you know, obviously, you know, just owning the business, and I didn't do anything, right? So that's another thing. So ladies and gentlemen, there's a million different businesses out there that you guys can start. There's so many different things. All of this led me into stock trading. Which stock trading, it's a passion. Those businesses are great. Those businesses do pay well when you really lock in on them. But also at the same time, you know, being a couch salesman or a door-to-door salesman isn't really my passion. So they're great starters, but definitely not the passion, right? So you guys, yeah, find your passion and stick with it, right? If you've got to hustle in the meantime by doing things like those businesses, definitely go for it. Definitely go for it, ladies and gentlemen. So that's YB's speech of the day on businesses that YB's done in the past, and I've done a million more, but you know, I've even done SMMA. Not big though. I've done like 3 to 4 clients I've had before, running social media marketing, doing things like that. It was really just my buddies' businesses and stuff. I've done that as well. But yeah, so 100%, 135%, man. Great time, man. So that's it, man. They say the average millionaire has 7 different ways of income. You know, whether that be, I almost got into vending machines as well, guys. I know, dude, YB's been in it all, bro. YB's been in it all right? I almost got into vending machines. Yep. I almost bought these 2 vending machines, 2 of them for, I think it was like 800 bucks, and they printed 200 bucks a month together. But I didn't, you know, that would take me basically like 4 months to make back my money on it. And then also the location wasn't like the greatest location in the world. It wasn't the worst though, but it definitely wasn't the greatest.
If I would have kept making...
Bro, if I get another ad, bro, I'm going to lose it, dog. There's no way we just went through all of that and we still are at an ad. Look at, ladies and gentlemen, coming up to our 200 days here on S&P ES. I want to see what happens here, guys. Want to see what happens here? Waiting patiently. Got everything pulled up here. Got NQ overall, NVDA. Right here's S&P. Right here's ES, boys. Looking to see if we're going to get some sort of retracement here. Not a bad play. Could see a retracement.
Order fill.
I'm going to get involved in the retracement. I don't think I got filled correctly, but let's see if it's going to come down here, boys. It's okay. I think I got filled better. That's what I mean. Let's see. Can we get some sort of retracement here? Looking at all of these points here, baby. Seeing upper shadows across the board. I think we're good. I think we got it. At least down to the 50 days where I'm looking, down to 15. If it breaks above, I would get out. So 41 is going to be that stop right there, ladies and gentlemen. Yep. Yeah, it's fine. I don't think we're going to hit that, though. I think we're coming down off this point here. Ladies and gentlemen, starting to come down. Looking great. Looking beautiful, baby. Getting our Dumperuski. Looking for that red to come in, baby. What a beauty. What an absolute beauty. What's the price here? 13? Waiting and watching, boys. Okay, we're waiting and watching. I want to see what NQES does here. I'm not going to hold and hope. No holding and hoping here. If that wants to spike and then dump a root here, looking for time and sales to flash red. So I want to see red start to flash on these times and sales here and start to dump this thing off, baby. And just start to dump this thing off. So having patience with this play up to the EMAs on 1, 2, 3, 4. We got them all stacked there, boys. I think we're good to go. Yup, I think we're good to go here, baby. So like I said, at least down to that 50 day is where I'm looking at there. So that's at 15. So okay. So that's at 15 there. That's at least. So I'm going to keep that on my eye. I'm keeping that on watch, boys. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to come down a little bit more here. Starting to come down a little bit more here, baby. Crack the energy in the room. Let it rip. Oh, no. That's the future of space. Look at that, guys. Look at that coming down right to it. Taking a look here. 9 day, 9 day. Look at how these plays react here. We're flashing red. Flashing red. Let's see how they react here. Hold on. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, coming into play. I love it. I love it, baby. Where's the absolute low of my TP? Probably right here is going to be it. If it starts to crack these points. Cracking. If that goes red, starting to go red here. Waiting, watching. Underneath 20. I'm going to lock it out. I'm going to take a quick gain on it. I'm going to take a quick 200 on it. Literally a quick 200 on it. I'm gonna take it. Guys, I'm gonna walk away with it. I'm gonna walk away with it. Oh, there's the crack! Fuck! Ladies and gentlemen, no, dude! Stop. Why do you play games, bro? No! Oh my gosh, boys. Fuck. Damn, guys. Okay. Ah! Look at that, boys. Okay, no, it's fine. It's bouncing. It's bouncing. It has a trend line. It's bouncing. We're fine. We're fine. We are okay. We are okay. See that trend line? Trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. Yup, look at that. Did the right thing. Boom, baby. I did the right thing. I'm good. I'm good. I feel great. I feel spectacular. Quick 200 on it. In and out, baby. Hope you guys catch some of these, man. Hopefully you guys are catching some of these, man. Oh my gosh. I feel like a wildebeest. I feel like an absolute animal. You know? Coming into it, I feel like an absolute utter animal, baby. That's it. So ladies and gentlemen, let me know what's up. Let me know what's up. Woo! So where's all my party people at, baby? Where's all my party people at, baby? I hope you guys are chilling out, man. Where are all the fun traders around here, man? Where you guys at? You guys in the chat, huh? This is a banger right here. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I was doing something. Yeah, I was figuring something out there. There's something wrong with Tradecaster here. Alright, guys, we are chilling out. Time is 9:55 a.m. Like I said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Sorry, there's some dumb shit going on with Tradecaster and some multiple platforms. Yeah, YouTube members, you guys are chilling out though. Yeah. Alright guys, I will be back Monday. I gotta go figure some things out with this shit. I will catch you guys then.